Here we are at Dinko Auction. We're gonna give a look-see. I found something we might can use. Okay, hear me out. We've got a build coming up for a friend. It's in a 1950 International 1-ton truck. And he's telling me he wants more modern steering, modern suspension with a more modern drivetrain. So we're cruising through the auction. We see this old girl on the dead road. And you say, okay, well, oh, it's toast. And it is toasted. This poor truck is toasted. She's seen better days. But what I see is a really good 1-ton chassis that we could rebuild, because these parts are readily available, way more so than a 1950 International. What if we took this truck off of the frame and go completely through the frame, make it nice, new everything, and set his International on it, build him a nice flatbed for it. Then he's got disc brakes. He's got a more modern back end than the old 50 International had. We'll throw a 350, turbo 350 setup, or maybe a 700 R4 and get an overdrive setup in it. Because this one's got a 454 in it that we could use for something down the road. But you swap the clamshells, 350 sets right in it. It's bolt in. So if it didn't go through the roof, this might be worth picking up. I don't know what we'd do with the old flatbed here. I like it. And you can make a short flatbed for the International. Man, I'm thinking that's a good idea. What says you, Clay? Yeah. And then we'd have extra parts for square bodies. We do so many square bodies. Fenders are okay. I need some body work. The hood is great. It's a good core support. The rockers are toasted. We could rebuild that 454. Maybe drop it in a Malibu or something. Dress it out like a Super Sport. We just had to buy a hood. And it's got the old granny low 4-speed in it. Man, she's pretty juiced. The floorboard though, man, that's in really good shape. That is not. How many miles it's showing? What is that, 50,000? But it's probably 150,000. I'm sure that's the old granny. Yeah. Still got cab corners though, that's pretty good. It's a good frame though. Wonder what gear ratio is in it. The glove box is not in it anymore. It's got the RPO codes in the glove box. Some of them had them on the inner fender. Hey, pop the hood one more time, Taylor. Let me see if I can see what rear end this thing's got. He totes Toby everywhere he goes. It's not there. Sometimes they have them in here. She might have blew a head gasket once upon a time. We got antifreeze in there. Something heavy hit that wheel well. That was a good wheel well until that. It's got Hydro Boost. That's kind of neat. It's 454 though. What is this, a 80 model or so? 81-ish, 82, yeah. So that 454 probably made 175 horsepower. Huh. I say you can pull all those A-arms out and redo those, put new bushings in them. We'd have an International from 1950 that rode like something from the 80s. You'd have shocks on it, because that International don't even have shocks. Okay. Let's buy it. There's another pretty cool old truck. It used to be a county truck. That's a F600. It's a big gal. She's got the old 330 in her. When the last time you saw one of those? It looked kind of like a Y-block, but not really. The auction is tomorrow. We came back today, get another look at it. The frame's excellent on this truck. It's in really good shape. We got a dandy F250 with a 7.3 here. It's in the dead row. Like I said, all we're looking for is a 1-ton frame, and that fits the bill. But if that don't go bad, we'll pick it up too. It's got 270,000 miles on a 7.3, which ain't too bad. Let's go get signed in. Ooh, look what we got over here. Square bodies and 72s, a 58 Apache. Oh, that's nice. Let's see what's in this one. Hell is. Got sheet metal intake. They smoothed the inside. That's nice. Yeah, it is. Cheyenne Super. Oh, you got it alive. Got 58 or 9. What you know good, Donnie?
Hey, how you doing? So there you go, low.
There you go. Oh, that's pretty. These yours, Donnie?
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Clean your car out.
Wow. Is that the Snowden seat in it? Is that the Snowden seat, they call it?
I don't know what they call that, to be honest with you. I didn't build it. It was built when I got
I got you. Well, that's nice. Yeah, they are. Oh, I guarantee it. We're working on a couple now, and it's money, money, money.
Yeah. People don't realize what it costs to get a body in shape where you can paint.
That's right. Yeah, the paint job is a couple hours. Yeah. It's getting it ready there. See the dash in this one? They did the stitching on it. I like it. Oh, that's very nice. Oh, the bed ain't had anything put on it yet. Yeah, shiny it is. Look, I'm telling you, they don't make good molding no more. Same problem we got on that one we're building. Boys, it is hot. Even with these big fans, it is hot in here. Oh yeah, it's got 235. That's it. That thing will run highway speed. Beautiful. All right, we gotta get signed in. All right. We got our, don't bid on my number, we got our stuff. A couple of them we may bid on. And we got signed up so we can do it online, so we don't have to take a day off from the shop to sit down here. There we go. Let's see how it goes. Let's stop in and grab us a few more parts. All right, we are at the auction. We stopped for a minute to come watch it. We're sitting in the air conditioner at the auction. It's pretty nice. We're just waiting on lot number, what is it? 1326 to pop up. See if we can get this truck. A couple trucks we're gonna bid on. We just bought 2 trucks right here at home. We won our auction, so we're going to pick them up. We're having to take 2 trucks to do it, but we bought more than one. We got Taylor and Tommy back here in Taylor's truck. We're en route now. Well, we got them. There's the old dually. We got it loaded. And we got home just before dark. It's a beautiful sky today. It's finally not 120 degrees. Well, check that out. How pretty is that? This is the other one. This is that 99 F250. Yeah, leave it on there tonight. I don't want to fool it. Huh? This is the other one. This truck's only got 260,000 miles. It's loaded out. It's a 2-wheel drive 7.3. But they thought it had some bad injectors. I don't think it is. I don't know yet, but we're gonna find out. Good looking truck. Paint on it's really good. All right, we're tired. We're gonna shut it down with that, and thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for going with us. Thank y'all for supporting our little channel. We truly appreciate it. Every like, comment, and subscribe helps us to grow. So keep them coming.